romantic. Wow. Hello. There he is. Oh. Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to an E36 skid car. Tonight we're heading to a Paul Walker memorial meet. Yes, every single year there's always a club doing a meet in memory of the life of Paul Walker, and that is what we're heading to. This is hosted by Cruise Crew, and we're in High Wycombe, and there's modified cars driving around everywhere. Oh, I saw, yes. We're definitely in the right place. So we've got two police cars inside the meet already, as well as the one outside the meet, and cars are only just arriving. It should be a busy one. Oh, welded diff woes. So it's a little bit dark, but here is the old girl, and we're gonna head to the entrance and see if we can avoid the wind. Oh, we've got a JZX 100 Mark II. Oh, I've been spotted. So we don't have a shortage of STs as it stands. There's even more rolling in. There's a Subaru leaving. That was a noise. Oh, more noises. I'm gonna get hit. Another Subaru coming in. Oh, check out the Evo. There we go. Lock him up, guys. Oh, it is cold as well. We've got the MX-5 with stripes and a number 7 diagonally placed. And then we have the Mustang making the V8 noises. Quite a lineup coming in now. There's a Fiesta with Christmas lights behind the E92. It is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. There's an MX-5 with a round on the side, another MX-5 and another MX-5 behind that, so he looks half asleep with his LED headlights. He's had enough already. It's too cold. Cars are leaving that I didn't even know were there, like a VXR8 that is slowly pulling away, as well as a BMW with a spoiler. So I think the meet is now in kind of 3 different car parks. There's a lot of 3 Series with spoilers tonight. Is that a TVR? Yes, a TVR! Oh look, it's not an RS. And even more police have arrived, the Sheriff's E46, and another 3 Series with a spoiler. So this one's got green end plates, and we've got neons on the Subaru. I've seen a lot of cars with neons. Maybe it's a Christmassy vibe. Bring neons back. Oh no, bring the neons back. That's not a yellow car, it's clearly white. Oh, we've got purple neons. We've got a bit of Americana arriving in the windy. He loves me, loves a strong word. Don't throw it around. Oh, I love that. Well, that's the highlight for me, loving the quad pipes on the back of it. Someone's doing an acceleration in the distance. Got a Subaru going the wrong way. There's some green lights in the other distance. The M1 something eyes are doing some bits, and the Golf, and an E30 Touring. The police have relocated her over there as well, because this is now a new entrance. Right, there's some more noises going on all over the place, and now we've got a policeman officer on foot trying to work out who it is. I'm going to see what's going on, because that's what all the crowd are doing. So I think the noises are going to be told. Oh, that was a flame. I hope you've got your bass turned. Oh, there's flames. Is that a firework? They've mysteriously quietened down now. You can see the multicoloured neons in the Subaru. Got a bit of a light show now with the sheriff's car. That's a bit of a scene, the Subaru and the 2 Beamers. And around here, he's saying hi to his mum, even though she's probably not a fan. We have the TVR parked up, and then one of the BMWs with a spoiler on the back. And again, underglow. So, we are now further down the line. We've got some horns, we've got an S14, we've got another one with neons as well. It's another Focus, flames from the Focus ST as an Evo departs. Oh, lovely overrun from the Evo. No prizes for guessing what his number plate is supposed to spell. Yeah. Whoa, that was quick. That was all from the engine, none was from the exhaust. Oh, there's a pink Focus. Yes. It's a big location and there's a lot of cars, but it's difficult to know where to look. We've also just spotted something just in front of the E36 Compact. It is a PS13 with ridiculously wide arches. It's a confusing one. So it's a PS13 with a purple bonnet, and you can see the giant turbo there. We've got a 2JZ, and apparently the car has 1100 horsepower at the wheels. That's what we've been told. It's too much. It's just too much. Just had an Evo tender launch down the end there. Oh look, he's completed a pair of yobs. We've got Evo yob and STI yob next door. You can say the yobs are now yobbing together. And we've got a green M3 as well with no number plates. It's like a pre-blurred plate. And a bit of a light show down here. All sorts of whites and yellows and greens and blues. Oh look, even in the arches we have LEDs flashing. I'm going around spotting all of the boosted barges at the meet. So we've got this Toyota Crown that came in recently. Looks incredible under the evening's light. We've caught up with the Hummer as more noises are made. The TT has got some multicoloured eyelashes flashing away, and cars are making sounds on the road. I think there might be a second location, because cars are starting up and people are walking back to their cars. There's some activities for sure. Also, this blue R34 over here is actually a four-door. I'm not sure if I've ever seen a Bayside blue four-door R34 Skyline. So around at the other half of the meet, we've got more underglow, and we have a chrome rose gold Rolls-Royce Phantom and another R34 four-door, this one in complete darkness. Ah, the Mark II is leaving the show, so let's head to the exit to where the crowd are. Hopefully we can capture on the move. There's an E36 sounding like a pig. That was weird. Cars are leaving, making some noises as well, including the Mini. Right now we've got a Paul Walker tribute going on in the distance. There's car alarms going off, people are calling my name, cars are coming in, the police are still here, and we have the Ford with the brave wheels leaving the show. Take a look at that, one of the most unique cars of the night. Oh, he misses me. It's alright, I'm here for you. So as you can see, we've got the police car there, the Civic drives by, and then a police car here, another police car there. We've got pops and bangs inside, music still playing, car alarms are going off, police officers on foot as well. People are not using the zebra crossing, guys, come on. Oh, look at that, they've parked next to each other. It's actually quite artistic and almost romantic. It's like when you drive up to like the beauty spot at night time to speak to your missus in a certain way. I can't believe how many people have actually turned up, and they're all crowding around the same place. This must be where all the content is happening. And the red Volvo passes through too. Oh yes. 5-cylinder noises from the Volvo. By the Lexus, the Ford Focus has got its Lambo doors up. And then a little bit further down we have the Evo making a few noises past the camo Audi with underglow. We set the alarm off, come on guys. Sounds like there's an RX-8 shooting flames in the distance, that's my guess. There's the flames. But for a better vantage point of the meet, I have found some steps up to some offices. Oh wow. Take a look at that. Cars are actually queuing to leave. So here's one of many exits. We've got policemen officers camped up over there. I think they're going to do a minute's silence in a few minutes in memory of Paul Walker. You've got to admit, the quantity of cars is unlike what we have seen for most of the year. Also, I've just spotted in the distance by the revving car, it's a JZX 100 in white. I'm going to have a look at that, so let's go back down the stairs. Because everyone loves a white Chaser, we have a white Toyota Chaser JZX 100. How did I miss this? Yes.
Oh, I'm Adam C.
He says he's Adam C, but I think I'm Adam C. So as we'd expect, we've got two police cars there. There's one poking out and one on the road. We've got the police officers on foot. There's 3 people there. And then up here, there's another police car on the pavement. So instead of kind of waiting around, filming them leaving, we've got flashing lights in the background as the police block off the road.
they've blocked it off down there, so you're not allowed to drive that way. So everyone has to leave this way. So we're going to leave ourselves and join them at the second location. That's not my steering wheel. As we go down the road, you just get parked police cars just to maintain the control. Hello! Oh look, the police are here as well. We've got the sheriff car and then one of the BMWs with the spoiler on the back. And in front we've got the 1 Series, the mudguard and the angled exhaust. Oh, another police car camping up. It knows where we're going. We're going to see like 10 of them littered down on the whole route.
They're lighting the way.
They are. You see, as we said, they are lighting the way up. We go a few miles down the road and we have the blues and twos, well just the lights. Oh, S14.
There we go.
And an R32 Golf. There we go. Oh, there's an MX-5. So, yeah, the location starts with a roundabout, and there's an MX-5 just... Oh, there's... and a Golf? Wait for it. There he is! And he's gone. There he is! Oh, he's... That was the MX-5.
Nice Adam C.
How do they spot me? Oh, flames. There they are. Yeah, let's keep the windows up for our ears' sake. These chaps have told us to stop. Why can't we go? It's free. Ah, that'll be why.
Jesus.
We've got the chrome Rolls Royce passing through as well, and everyone's double parking on the bank, parking next to their mate, parking in front of someone that isn't their mate, and I don't think there's much space left. So you can see the distant smoke of the tyres, and the Civic's trying to get on the camera. Someone's exploded. Oh, it's continuing. Everyone's running in front of it. Oh!
There goes the other tyre.
Up and down the strip, and there's a few chasers driving around as well. We've got Glams, I might get some turbo noises as it approaches. So predictable. The Focus ST pops in flames. We've got the chaser trying to get up on the bank. Oh, there you go, you can see the flames now. Fantastic. Pops and bangs and smoke are present in the distance. The Audi's shooting flames. There they go. The Volvos have turned up, doing their thing. So there are still cars trying to come in. There's a bit of a queue. We've got an R33 with the underglow, with a Civic with underglow behind. Bit of a theme for the night. And the cars are all the way back to the previous roundabout trying to get in. Cars are leaving too. I can see a flashing blue glow of a policeman officer's vehicle, suggesting that they have arrived. There they are. They're on the lower roundabout. Cars are parked all over the place. Honestly, the whole industrial estate is just littered. It's probably because the previous location was so vast that we all can't fit inside this one now, so the police have now presumably blocked off the location. The queue of cars coming in, the Focus ST, the PS13 with the 2J that we saw earlier. This is a bit ridiculous. People have managed to open the gate of the inside of the roundabout and park inside there. So I think the police probably told them to leave. That's why they've all ran to their cars to skedaddle, because it's a bit cheeky of them. I think we've just been left with the pops and bangs now. As a lot of cars are leaving, the 36 has made its departure. We've got the Lamborghini Huracan Performante Spider. I don't care. The Neon crew are back. All eyes on the R34. But I think that was pretty much that from the Paul Walker tribute meet by Cruise Crew. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Got the white chaser in the background. So go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights about these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.